Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm back here with a clip taken from a long video that I just finished to record for my subscribers. I'm leaving the option for my services at 50% off for the first year open, and I'll be providing further details after the clip ends. So if you're interested, please stay on. I'll be talking to you again at the end of the clip. I would like you also to read carefully the disclaimer that I'm going to put up now, so that it is clear to you before you go ahead and watch the video. This is just a standard thing. This is the chart of the index XAU. That is the daily, still pretty strong, holding on here. Lateral movement is clearly corrective, clearly a huge pause, lengthy pause in preparation for a massive rally. It is quite possible that it's going to end up giving us this ideal setup of an ABCD. It's possible it's not going to do it. There is just not a very clear indication either way at this point. We have to be patient. The range is very narrow here, which adds confidence to the reading that this is soon going to be over. And once it jumps above the two horizontal lines that are indicated here, you can take it that the big rally is on. Yes, a big rally that would last for several months, easily taking us to the end of the year. So that is my reading for the XAU index. Let me see the specific commodities. Here is silver. That is the 4-hour scale of silver. I still like the idea that that's an ABCX, AB, and we need final drop towards 2350. As I said, it doesn't have to break it massively. Even a touch down here and a bounce back will terminate for us the pattern, and we could see it coming back. And if that's the end of the correction, once it sits above this level, yes, that comes at 2584, we can start factoring into our big plan that a big rally is underway in silver, and we will start looking at 30 and beyond. Okay, right now this is still shaping up as an okay corrective attempt. Do you see this rally right here? We do need a crack under this support zone that comes at 2480 or so. Yes, there is some support here. We need to see it breaking through that. That will likely set momentum going, and we will see it retesting the low as the final piece of this big puzzle in the correction of silver. Here's the chart of gold. That's the daily. There's so many options possible here. I think that the key, of course, is to observe the behavior if it does come down towards this level at 1680. I believe it could, and I believe that it will not stay under this level for very long if it does. Yes, if we do see a dip like that, I don't believe it's going to last for long. It's going to bounce back fairly quickly. Okay, so that is my thinking at this point. This is not ready yet for the big rally. Sorry. Yeah, we still have to be patient. You know I'm wrong. You know that there is a chance that things are actually underway only once it clears 1820, this resistance zone. I think we'll keep it under lead for now, and my thinking is going to dip yet again. Yeah, it's going to come back. As I said to you, there are several readings that are possible here. I won't go through all of them, but at least two of them are calling for retesting of this support level, and I think it's going to hold. Yes, why not? Let's go and see the weekly so you get a bit of perspective. Here's the weekly. We had a crucial meeting with an important line right here. Do you see this line coming up? And it had also support from the horizontal right here. I am optimistic that even if it comes back to retest this level, it will find the support necessary to send it back up. And you can see that I'm telling you, I want to see it running above this, which comes at 1820, and you can see that the 50 moving average on the weekly that has been a strong ally of the bulls is around this neighborhood. It's right here. So it seems to me fairly clear that once it manages to sit on top of this 50 moving average, the bottom is behind us, and we can start looking seriously at a steady climb above 2080. I don't think we have to wait another 2 months. I would be surprised, really. Maybe 2 weeks? Yeah, possible. Maybe we start seeing signs of big movement already before the end of this month. My website, the homepage, is right here. It's Wave Mastery, www.wavemastery.com. Yeah, wavemastery in one word.com. That takes you to the homepage. You can scroll down, look through some things that I've written here, some recommendations from past users and current users, and that is essentially the offer currently open only to first-time subscribers. Okay, so there is the daily service, daily videos that are preceded by a trial, so you can take the trial for 1 week, and at the end of that, if you're happy, you do nothing, you go on to the plan of half price. Essentially 79 presents half price of the normal price, and that will be good for 1 year. That means 12 payments of 79. If you want to watch just the weekend videos, then you go for this one, and it does give you access to the weekend videos, and I often also insert a video as a bonus midweek, just to keep you on track, to see a little bit where things are moving, because sometimes 1 week of full price action is a lot, and the wave count can change, especially if you're a short-term trader. You really want to know what's happening. So that is essentially the situation. If you decide to go, for example, for the daily videos, you click here. It takes you to the page where it explains to you. You should read that. It explains to you what is covered, etc., etc. If you like what you read, you click here, subscribe. It takes you to PayPal, because my paying system is through PayPal, and you pay through PayPal. You can see you have the trial at $9.99. That's for the first 7 days. As I said, if you like what you see, do nothing. It just goes automatically. If you don't like, you can cancel. Or if you don't know how to cancel, or you have any doubt, you have any question, you can write to me, of course. Once you go through and you pay, you come back, PayPal will send you back to my website to fill in your profile details, choose your login, and once you do that, you will be led automatically to the page with the links to the various videos classified by date. If at any point in time in this process you have a problem, things are not going as I'm describing to you right now, all you have to do is just contact me and I'll help you out. That is essentially it. So you'll have 1 week to look at things. I would like to just spend a minute about the website itself. I have written here a few articles. Is this website for me? You can go through that one. Psychology and trading, trading and the arts, why join? Yes, each of these articles could perhaps help you to see how to relate to my website, but there is no substitute, in my opinion, to actually take a trial. You know, you take a trial, and I want to say another thing. You take a trial, and you can't make up your mind, you want more time to think, fine, I understand that. Then you cancel, but then you're not allowed to take another trial. Please, I want to be very clear about that. There are people who abuse this, and it's really not right. You're not allowed to take more than one trial, okay? A trial is a trial. But if you're interested, after you take a trial, you're interested to come back, you can still benefit from the low price for the next full year. But you have to write to me, and then I will send you a special link without a trial. And if you join, then you're going to go immediately onto the reduced price plan for 12 months. Okay? If you take another trial after you took already one, I am going to have to cancel that and refund you. And if you do that 2 or 3 times, I'm just going to blacklist you, because there are people who have been doing it, and I'm afraid this is really absolutely not right. This is subscribe here. Use subscription. Once you are logged in, you will see this one highlighting you daily service videos or weekend service videos. Yeah, it will show which one you really have the right to access. The daily service videos, to be very clear, they cover the weekend service videos. Okay, so you don't have to subscribe to both. The daily covers everything I do. The weekend, of course, is more selective. Now, I have here resources. There are chart galleries right here. Chart 1, 2, 3. There are plenty of charts here that give you an idea how I go about subdividing various market action here. There I covered a lot of markets, and you can see there is history here that could be very interesting for you to just go through. Let's see, platinum, for example. Yes, that's 1973 to 1978. If you click right on top where it shows you the hand, the chart opens up big. You can print it if you like. Here's an example of platinum, April 1980. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the huge correction that followed after that. So there is plenty for you, whichever market you're interested in, the financials, commodities, precious metals, etc. Okay, so that's chart galleries. Then useful links, as the name implies. Yes, recommended reading list. You have a long list of books here that I've read over the years that I found very interesting. Of course, I have many more books that I would like to add. It's just a question of time. I don't always have time to update this one. But the books that you find here did help me in the beginning, and still the information here is very valuable in these books. For example, Kroll. I don't know how many of you heard about Stanley Kroll. Stanley Kroll was a really imaginative fellow trader that wrote very well about his own trading and in trading in general. I learned a lot from these books. And of course, if you haven't heard about Reminiscence of a Stock Operator, you should get this book and read it. You will not regret. This is a book that most traders, I think, have come across and read. It is very interesting. And as you go down the list, you will see if there are things that are of interest to you. Of course, go ahead, get them. Some of them are even available online for free as a PDF. Check that. If you have questions about that, you can even contact me. Here's the contact us, and you put your name. Please make sure you give me the right email address. Message, simple maths, submit, I get it. You'll hear from me. I'm based in Belgium, so if you write to me from Australia or from the US and I'm having my rest, do not be surprised if I don't react quickly, okay? Normally within a day you will have a reply from me. I check my email fairly regularly. So that's about it. Hope to see you visiting my website. Hope to see you taking a trial. If you have any questions, again, don't hesitate. Get in touch with me, and wishing you a great trading week. Bye now.